right, we are here today having a look at the new Ritche watch bands. Just got it in. This is the 20 millimeter version, and it is going on my Brew Retromatic, which has this beautiful red dial, and for that reason I chose this red leather. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It's got this really nice fine genuine leather, 20 millimeters, nice easy adjustable. I could do this with one hand. Can I? Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Holding the camera with one hand, and yeah, I can do it. Came right off, and then it's nice and easy to put on as well. Sorry guys, you didn't want to see it up close of my tablecloth, but that's how you go ahead and put this back on. You put that in, you push this little nub down, and make sure that the spring gets in there. I find if you rotate it 90 degrees, usually make sure that it pops in there. Just give it a little push, and then there you have it. So I think this is a great find, really nice quality. It is leather, so you know, if it shows up too bright, which this one showed up a little brighter than it's showing now, just take a little bit of your hand oil and rub it on there, and it will darken up a tiny bit. So 5 stars, love this one.
All right, so this Ritche band, here's my review on it. When it came out of the box, or actually it's a little bag, it was very nice. They have a little bookmark in there, and go ahead and take a look. It's well done. The leather feels nice. Now, one thing I will say is that it is stiff when you get it out of the bag. It's straight and stiff, so you're gonna have to work it a little bit in order to, you know, well, I think that's good, right? It seems to be high quality, so just takes a little breaking in, like a nice pair of, you know, leather shoes. And I put it on this watch right here. I really didn't like the band on this watch, the bracelet that was with it. So this is not, I mean, look at the silver certainly lines up, the colors. This is a little bit dark compared to the bezel, and I don't know that I found the right watch for this bracelet, but that's no fault of the bracelet. The bracelet is very nice, and this is just kind of a cheaper watch that I got, and just trying to make it pop somehow. So I think I'm going to still experiment and find the best watch for this bracelet, because or not bracelet, band. It's very nice. So thank you so much, Ritche, and yeah.
Think that a lot of people don't know if they can afford. So you kind of got to be understanding of the fact that like we're putting ourselves in positions to be let down, okay? And it's not our fault. It's not our fault. But like quantity over quality. Like pick the few friends that do show up for you and nurture those friendships.
It's a beautiful, beautiful watch band. Padded, beautifully set up.
I'm trying to tell you, I think I know how she's making the jump points. She's one of these. It's my mom's bangle. It started going really weird.
Wielded swords like these to slay both man and beast. But the discovery of the barracks revealed something else. Behind the glass.
I really like the product, but the quality is not so great.
That's so strange.
My prescription is still good. It's $20 when you swear out. You might got the number 20.
you stay on course and budget. Protect, lead,